Hello, everybody. I'm Deborah Screpanti, Marketing Manager of Blupura. I'm really glad to be here to the first Get to Know with Blupura webinar that we decided to make specifically for you, all our Caligan dealers in the United States. And today I'm with my two colleagues in charge of the United States market, Federico Tomarelli, that I invite to come here. He's our export area manager for the United States, and Pamela Pasqua as well, our back office for the United States.
Good morning. Good morning, everybody. Thank you, Deborah, for the introduction.
So today we are going to tell you something about our company. For the people that don't know us so far, even though we joined the Caligan family in 2017, so some of you already met us during the exhibitions like WQA or NRA show.
Deb, why don't you tell us some numbers about Blupura and where our machines are made?
Of course. Just to give you an idea of what is the size of the company, Blupura is composed by 130 people working in the company. Our facility today is of 118 square feet, 1,000 square feet, sorry. So, and we have 10 production lines with a capacity of production of 100,000 pieces per year. We are distributing in 65 different countries all around the world. And from 2018 to 2019, we had a growth of more than 100% with a turnover of 32 million euros. So a big growth for us. And we hope we can keep going in these directions, also with the cooperation of the Caligan family. And we are producing many products, so all in Italy, under 100% made in Italy.
Thank you, Deborah, for this introduction. The purpose of this webinar, the very first one for the Caligan dealer that Blupura organized specifically for you guys, is for us to introduce to you our company and to give you some information that we believe can be useful for your business. We know that in these difficult days, our way of working has changed, but in any case, we want you to know that Blupura is still working, Blupura is here, and that we are here also to support you and to support your clients with your business. I believe that this webinar will give you some useful information that you will be able to elaborate and to transmit to your clients. And one of this information that can be useful for you, for instance, is the fact that we have in USA a branch, a direct Blupura USA branch. Maybe, Pam, you can tell us something more about this branch.
Yes, sure. Blupura USA was founded in 2014. We would like to be closer to our partner, to make easier our services and our deliveries, which is mean that you can have the unit in a few days in your facility. So the aim to found this warehouse are those reasons that I mentioned previously. And thank you also to the growth of Blupura to the business development in the US country. So in our stock, we have approximately 1,000 units, so different models that could cover the different demand of the market. Today, we are going to introduce some of them. And so we are going to start with the mechanical tops that the C2A and the C3P. As you can see, there are some differences between those two taps. The first one, that there are only two faucets, so you can supply only two types of water, the cold sparkling or the cold and ambient. The C3P, instead, you can have three types of water, the sparkling, the ambient, and the cold. And in the C3P, you can see that there are three medals which indicate the different type of water. Another difference is the handle. In the C2A, if you want to stop the tap, just leave the handle. in the C3 stand, you have to do it mechanically. Today, they are connected with the box 60 fits, which is main 16 gallon per hour of cooling capacity. But please note that we have also different under counters that we can offer to you. Just visit our website and you can see that they are different cooling capacity that will meet your needs. Now we are passed to the two bestsellers countertop for the hospitality sector that the US country demand mostly. And
yeah, Pamela, you already just said that they are very popular, but maybe our dealers, Caligan dealers, would like to know more why they should select the blue bar instead of the EcoChic, which are the main differences, because the aesthetic is obviously different, but maybe also some features are different as well.
Yes, sure. We start with the blue bar. The blue bar, apparently, it's more robust, more simple, but thank you to this touch of elegant, the front panel that is backlight, you can see the different type of water, and here the logo of Blupura. And with the blue bar, differently to the EcoChic, you can have only two types of water, the cold and ambient or the cold and sparkling. Another difference is between the two types of unit that here there's only one level of the drip tray and you can connect it with the drain. Instead, in the EcoChic, you can adjust with the three different levels, so it's suitable for different type of bottles.
We can even show
yeah,
them.
Sure.
That's quite easy. With this stainless steel bar, you can remove it and adjust it in different heights. Like here, if you have a very small dispenser. That's not so easy from this side. Or you can even, if you have very big bottles, go at the bottom.
Yes.
And use the one at the bottom. This one here. Easy, no?
Here. And aesthetically, EcoChic, as the name is very chic, stylish, with this plexiglass, blue plexiglass, give to this unit an elegant style. And both you can have with the mechanical tops or with the push buttons. With the push buttons version, you could have also the portion control. What does it mean? It means that it's an optional that enable to you to customize the amount of water that you want to dispense. So for restaurants, bars, that the stuff is very hairy, you can save time, money, and also space. So now I leave the word to my colleague Federico Tomarelli, and please.
Thank you. Thank you very much, Pam. Yes, I mean, as we said, we have several range of machines that we can introduce to you, and not just for the hospitality sector like Pam just described, but we also have like this Blue Soda, which is one of the most famous model from Blupura. So I'm sure that most of you have seen it already. This machine can deliver the 4 type of water. So here we have cold, ambient, and sparkling, but eventually is also available with the hot water as optional, and as a performance of either 8 gallons per hour or 12 gallons per hour. So as you can see, the machine remains compact and very versatile, which makes it suitable for several environments, such as office, hospitality, or even domestic. We have here the Selfits. The Selfits is a product that we designed specifically for Caligan Group. And so it's something branded Caligan and very unique. And is a machine that is made in a plastic, in high quality plastic. So it's very competitive, but in the same time, very well performing, and also very versatile as well. The other machines which are very famous, and I'm sure that most of you have seen, is our BioRefresh model. The BioRefresh model has been designed to be a floor standing machine, to be in the middle range, so very beautiful, very high design, very good quality, and in the same time to have an attractive and competitive price. Originally, the BioRefresh was available with the buttons.
But we have a very good news for all of you. We developed a very new product for Caligan in these days, and we have the touch-free solution.
Yes, we can show.
Yeah, we can show. Just put the finger close, and so without touching, you can refill your glass of water or your cup.
Yes, we decided to invest on touch-free technology, as according to us, it's the most suitable technology for these days, where of course hygiene is very, very important. Before to give the word to Deb, I would just like to say that what we can offer, of course, is a very good and organized after-sales support, which we understand is very important for all of you. And we work in 65 countries, so that means that we have a structured backup service with spare parts availability, both in Miami and, of course, also in Italy, where we have a huge warehouse. And I think, Deb, now maybe you want to add something.
Yeah, definitely I want to. We introduced you to the products we designed and developed for the Caligan family. But of course, we have much wider range of products. Maybe, I hope you are really interested to know where you could buy them. So, Pamela, could you give them some details, as you are the expert on deliveries and orders?
Yes, sure. In the Seaport platform, you can find the two mechanical taps, the box 60 or the box 16 gallon, the Blue Soda 30 fits, and the BioRefresh range. The other units you can find in our website from Italy or from Blupura USA. Anyway, and I hope if there are some a great quantity of units, obviously the orders are handled from Italy, but in our stock in Miami, for a few units, you can have it immediately. So thank you for your attention, and now Deborah.
Yeah, I just add some details about what we said. We just gave you an overview of what are our products. As you have seen, depending on the destination or the type of use of the water cooler you are going to do, we differentiated the hospitality water coolers with different dispensing points for each type of water to save time while refilling your bottles, that you can even customize with the logo. In Italy, for example, Caligan Italiana customized the bottles with the Caligan brand, and you can really sell Caligan water everywhere and make your brand stronger in the United States, and also with the new generation. And what is in common with all these products is we had always developed a very high dispensing area in order to host all types of containers that can be bottles or glasses, especially in cases of domestic use, where the main dispensers are designed to keep only the glass. Now you can also use big bottles on it, as well as in your office, and in your break time you want to refill your bottle. Now you can leave the bottle and just press the button and talk with your colleagues at the same time.
Deb, if our friends want to know something more about Blupura, what can they do?
Of course, we can do many things from contacting us. We are always available and pleased to give you more information. But you are here, as you can see here, we are in the Blupura Video Lab. This is the place where we organize our webinars. We can provide you with distance technical trainings, sales trainings, or we can even organize special meetings to deeply discuss about what would you like to know more. And just want to remind you that we are in Italy. You can feel it from our accent. And all our products, also the ones that are made with the plastic ABS, are made in Italy. So high quality plastic and high quality stainless steel solution for all kinds of needs you may have. Thank you then for your attention. I hope you took the chance to reply us, to send us your questions through the chat. As we are here, we decided to reply to your questions at the end of the webinar, so that we will have the chance to reply you personally instead of using an external stuff. Thank you again for your time, and we hope to see you very soon in person, hopefully next exhibitions in Las Vegas with the WQA or at the NRA show in Chicago. And maybe Federico can also meet you personally at your facilities. Thank you again. Thank you, Federico and Pamela, for supporting me in this webinar.
Thank you. Thank you very much
you.
to everybody.